మీరు కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ కి ప్రిపేర్ అవుతున్నారా? మీరు మంచి ఆన్లైన్ కోచింగ్ కోసం ఎదురు చూస్తున్నారా? అయితే హర్షిత్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ ఇప్పుడు ఆన్లైన్ చేస్తుంది. ఆన్లైన్ కోచింగ్ ఫర్ ఏపీపీఎస్సి, టిఎస్పీఎస్సి, ఎస్ఐ కానిస్టేబుల్, ఆర్ఆర్బి, ఎస్ఎస్సి. 24/7 యాక్సెస్, ల్యాప్టాప్ ఆర్ మొబైల్ యాక్సెస్. హర్షిత్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్. Download the app and study materials our mobile app. Visit www.harshitinstitute.co.in. మీరు అనుకున్న జాబ్ ని సాధించండి. హర్షిత్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్. సెల్ 9032200190, 9676525789. youtube.com Harshit Institute.
Right. Hi friends. So today next topic Andhra Pradesh industries. So Andhra Pradesh industries and also Indian industries, both are some of the similarly relation is there. So Andhra Pradesh industries and also Indian industries, they are divided into three groups on the basis of the raw materials. First one is the agro industries. Second is the mineral industries. Third one is the forest industries. So these are the three type of the industries. They are in Andhra Pradesh and also India. Means agro based industries, mineral based industries, forest based industries also. These are called agro industries. Means so these are industries for that raw material is depending on the agriculture. So mineral industries, these are industries, they are depending on the raw material for the minerals. So forest industries, they are depending on the raw material on the forest production. So example, these are the cotton textile industries. Second is the jute textile industries, silk textile industries, sugar industries. Like this, these are the industries, agro based industries. Here mineral based industries means iron and steel industries, and also cement industries, and also chemical industries, fertilizer industries, and also fertilizers, and also transport industries, and also fertilizer, chemical industries. Like this industries, they are main depending on the minerals. Forest based industries means paper industries, leather industries, and also tea industries, coffee industries. Like this, all are the industries, they are belonging to forest based production. So in Andhra Pradesh, some of the major industries, they are depending on the for that agro raw material. They are the cotton textile industries, jute, silk. So I will take the each and every one. So first one is a cotton textile industry. Right. First industry, cotton textile industries. Right. For this industries, main raw material is cotton. We are getting this cotton from the agriculture. So This cotton industrial revolution is started in British country. In India, industrial revolution is started in 1853. In 1853 at Mumbai. So on which industry means is a cotton industry, first cotton industries. So in world, which industry is the very oldest means cotton textile industries. Like this in India also cotton textile industry is very oldest industry. So in 1853 we are modern industry is started in India. So like this in India is started at the Mumbai. In Andhra Pradesh, this cotton textile was started at Pandala Paka is in East Godavari. This industry it will be started 1915 to 18 in between is started in East Godavari at Pandalapaka. So next cotton spinning industry is started at Rayadurgam is in Anantapur district. Anantapur district is in 1921. So according to the production in Andhra Pradesh is maximum in British country is started in which place means Manchester. Now you can see in India, in world first industrial revolution is started in British country. In which place means Manchester. So first best quality cotton is prepared in Manchester. That's why. So in Andhra Pradesh, which is called as a Manchester of Andhra Pradesh means Manchester of Andhra Pradesh mean Visakhapatnam. Visakhapatnam is called as a Manchester of Andhra Pradesh. So is Manchester of India is called as a Ahmedabad. So like this Indian Manchester Ahmedabad, in Andhra Pradesh Manchester Visakhapatnam. Now according to the production, maximum production in Rayalaseema has a number of spinning industries and also production also is there. At number of industries spinning and production it will be in Chittoor is the maximum production is a high. So number of production according to the in East Godavari and also West Godavari and also Anantapur also has a production. So next after cotton textile industries, jute textile industry, right. Next after cotton textile, jute industries, jute textile industries is one of the major textile industry after cotton. So in world first jute textile industry is established at Rishra near Kolkata is in 1855. So in India first cotton textile is established 1853 at Mumbai. So at the same time nearby the Jute textiles also is established 1855. Within 2 years it will be established the jute textile industry. So for this raw material is the jute. Is India is the number one in production of the jute. That's why jute textile also is in world. India is the number one, first place in world also. So in Andhra Pradesh, in India, which is the number one means West Bengal and Assam. These both are the number one in jute textile industries. So maximum from India, West Bengal is the maximum exporting to the other countries. So in Andhra Pradesh has a some of the jute textile industries. There are the number one in Andhra Pradesh, Vijaya Nagaramu. In South India, Andhra Pradesh is the number one in 4 jute textile industries are there in Vijayanagaram. Srikakulam also as a one of the jute textile industry, and also Vishakhapatnam also has a one of the jute industry, and also West Godavari also has a one of the jute industry. Guntur district also has a one of the jute industries. There are 8 jute industries in Andhra Pradesh. In South India, Andhra Pradesh is the number one in textile of the jute. So next after jute, silk textile is there. In Andhra Pradesh also has a so many silk textile industries are there. Silk textile, third one, silk textile industry. So in world, in India, oldest silk textile industry is 1853 is established it at Howrah is in near Kolkata in West Bengal, is established 1853. So in worldwide, China is the number one in silk textile, and next one is India. India is the second place in silk textile industries. So like this, Andhra Pradesh in silk textile in India, Karnataka is the number one. Karnataka, Tamil Nadu also is the number one. In Andhra Pradesh, in Bangalore and also Mysore, both are the cities are number one in production of the silk textile. In Andhra Pradesh, Anantapur. In Anantapur is the maximum production of the and Dharmavaram is a number one. Penugonda, Kadiri, and also Kadapa also has a, and Nellore, Venkatagiri. This is the one of the, these are the important in Andhra Pradesh silk textile industry. Next after silk, sugar industry. So sugar industry is a depending on the sugar cane, is a one of the biggest agriculture based industry after the cotton textile. So is a biggest cotton textile industry and agriculture based. Second is the sugar industry. Sugar industry. So its main raw material is the sugar cane. Right. In India, first sugar industry is established in 1904 at Champaran in Bihar state is a oldest. So next maximum sugar industries in India is Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra is a production wise according to the production. In Andhra Pradesh is a first one Eti Koppaka sugar industry is a at Eti Koppaka in Visakhapatnam, Vizag is established in 1933 is the first sugar industry in Andhra Pradesh is the oldest. Next Deccan sugar industry is at the Samarla Kota is in East Godavari. So is established in 1952. So next one is a Sarvarai. This both are the from Tanuku sugar industry. Andhra sugar industry. Andhra sugar industry is at the Tanuku is in West Godavari. This is established in 1952. Is a 1952. This is a another year. Is a so this Deccan sugar industry and also this both are the very important in production of the space fuel production is from these two industries. This space fuel is a year production of the space fuel from Deccan sugar industry, Andhra sugar industry. Next Sarvaraya sugar industry, Chellendu is in East Godavari. So next one KCP sugar industry is in Vuyuru in Krishna district. Maximum sugar production it will be Chitturu and also West Godavari in production wise in Andhra Pradesh. These are the important oldest sugar industries in Andhra Pradesh. So maximum peoples are working in cotton textile, second highest labor working in sugar industries. Right. Next after sugar industries, paper industry. Paper industry is a biggest forest based industries. First biggest agriculture based industry, cotton textile. Second agriculture based industry is the sugar industry. So like this paper industry is the number one, is depending on the forest production, right? Is in paper production is in Maharashtra is the number one, second place is the Madhya Pradesh in production. So for this paper main raw material is the bamboo. From bamboo is making the paper and sabai grass and also fluff wood. These are the very important in making the newspaper. From bamboo you are making the best quality paper. From sabai grass is a medium best quality paper, is a ordinary, is a non-complete non-best quality is from the fluff wood. So in India, first paper industry is established at the Sharanpur near in West Bengal, 1932. So next one, in Andhra Pradesh, oldest paper industry is established in 1924 at that name of the paper industry, that is the Andhra paper industry is at the Rajamandri. Rajamandri is in East Godavari. This is a nationalized paper industry is established, is a very oldest and also established 1924. Next to Rayalaseema paper industry is established at Kurnool. This both are the national paper industries. So after this, regional paper industries, Penna paper industry is at the Kadapa, is established at the Kadapa. Vamshadhara paper industry is in Srikakulam. So Kolleru paper industry is in West Godavari. This is near the Kolleru lake. So this is about the paper industry, is a major forest based industry. Now next one, after paper industries, iron and steel industries. Next industry, iron and steel industry. So this is the biggest mineral based industry, is depending for the iron. So main raw material here, the iron and manganese. Dolomite also is maximum utilized in making the limestone, also is one of the raw material in making the steel production industries. So in India, first iron and steel industry is established 1830 at Porto Nova, is near Chennai, means Tamil Nadu, in 1830. So in India, first modern iron and steel company is a TISCO, is established in 1907 at Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. So TISCO means Tata Iron and Steel Company, is a first modern, is also up to now this is the oldest industry, and also is working under the private, is a biggest up to now, is a Jamshedpur is the steel city of the India, also is called. In Andhra Pradesh also as one of the steel industries, that name of this steel industries, Visakhapatnam Steel, Iron and Steel Company is established at the Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh. This is established in 1972 January 20th. So this construction, it will be started in 1982. So this production, it will be started in 1992, is inaugurated. This is the given to the nation from by the P.V. Narasimha Rao. P.V. Narasimha Rao is given to the peoples. So started in 1992. So in India, so many iron steel companies are there. So many iron steel company they are established in internal of the continental body. But in India at present has only one of the iron steel company on the bank of the sea. Bank of the Bay of Bengal means bank of the sea. This is a connected, this Visakhapatnam iron steel is connected with the Bay of Bengal. This is only one of the, is a ocean connected bank, ocean connected Visakhapatnam. In by the, from, in by Hudud cyclones, this Visakhapatnam iron steel company is affected by the disaster of the Hudud. So for this Visakhapatnam iron steel company is a coal is getting from the Damodar Valley, and also iron is getting from the Bailadilla mines. So water from the Machkand river is getting. So is the best quality iron steel, best quality iron steel production is there. So is given to the 2010 Navaratna Hoda also is given to the iron steel company. So next Visakhapatnam shipyard. Next after this Visakhapatnam shipyard. Right. Visakhapatnam shipyard is at Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh. Right. This is in India. At present, India has the four major shipping industries are there. So is a first one Visakhapatnam shipyard, second is the Majgandaku shipyard is in Mumbai, and also is a third one is a Majgandaku, and also third one is the is in Kolkata, fourth one is the Kerala. These are the four. So from four major shipbuilding industries, Visakhapatnam is the biggest shipbuilding industry. So is established in 1941 under private sector on the name of Scindia Steam Navigation industry is the old name of the Scindia Steam Navigation industry. So this is the first 1948 first ship is constructed by the Scindia as a Jala Usha on the name of the ship Jala Usha. So next one is in 1952 this Scindia Steam Navigation is nationalized. After independence, this shipyard is nationalized by the central government in 1952. So then the name of the Scindia Steam Navigation is changed as a Visakhapatnam Hindustan Shipyard. Hindustan Shipbuilding Industry. Right. That name changed as a Hindustan Shipbuilding industry is a at present name of the shipbuilding industry is in Vishakhapatnam. Is a making the cargo ships. Cargo ships and means exporting and importing ships are making. Yearly 5 major ships are constructing. Major ships are constructing by this Hindustan shipbuilding industry. This is in India biggest and also oldest shipbuilding industry in India. Right. Next after the cement industry. Now about the cement industry. In India, first oldest cement industry is established at the Chennai. This is very oldest, is established in 1904. So, this is in India oldest. In Andhra Pradesh, first oldest cement industry in 1940, that is the Andhra cement industry. So, that is the at Vijayawada is a established, this is the oldest. Andhra cement industry very oldest, Chennai cement industry very oldest in India, in Andhra Pradesh, Andhra at Vijayawada. So L&T cement industry, so that is established at Tatipatri in Anantapur. So at Tatipatri, Anantapur, that is the cement industry in Andhra Pradesh. So Penna cement industry, that is on the name of the Penna river, is at, this is also at Tadipatri, Anantapur. So next one is the Coromandel cement industry is at the Kadapa. Coromandel cement industry. So next one, Panyam cement industry is at the Kurnool. So KCP cement industry is a KCP cement industry is in Guntur, Macherla. So Vishakhapatnam cement industry, Vishakhapatnam. So at production, Guntur is the number one in production of the cement in India. Which state is the number one means in production? Maharashtra. So this is about the cement industry. Now next one is the fertilizer industry. Fertilizers industry. So in India now at present oldest industry Andhra fertilizer industry in Andhra Pradesh is very oldest, is established at Tadepalli Gudem, is in Guntur district, is a oldest. Next to Coromandel fertilizer industry, Vishakhapatnam is a Coromandel fertilizer industry. So next Nagarjuna fertilizer industry, Kakinada, East Godavari. So next one, Godavari fertilizer industry is at the Rajamandri. This is also is in East Godavari, and Kakin also is East Godavari. Nagarjuna and Godavari both are in East Godavari, different places. Kakinada, one of the Rajamandri. So next one, Krishnapatnam fertilizer industry. This is in at Nellore. So this is established by help of the this is established by the China is a country, by China. He's helped this for this. So for this is a maximum natural gas is used in making this fertilizer. So in India, very oldest fertilizer industry is at Ranipet, is in Tamil Nadu, is established in 1906. So this is about the fertilizer. Now next, cottage industries and also small scale industries. Cottage industries and also small scale industries. So these are the 13 cottage industries in Andhra Pradesh. Kalankari cottage industries. Kalankari means is making some of the different type of the toys. Kalankari toys, and also is making the painting colors, also is doing the colors at the Machilipatnam. This is in Krishna district. So next one, Lakka toys is a Etikopaka is a in Vishakhapatnam, is a handloom textile, is a handloom looms. Is a maximum. Venkatagiri is Nellore, Guntur also is the number one in making the handloom textile. So coir industries is making the coir, making by the this coir industries depending on the coconut waste coir. So this is in at the Konasima, East Godavari. Tunga mats. These are in Nellore maximum production. In Tivachi's maximum production Eluru. So next Jari sarees. These are in Venkatagiri and also Dharmavaram. Venkatagiri is in Nellore, Dharmavaram is in Anantapur. Jari sarees. So musical instruments industries, Bobbili is the number one in Vijayanagaram, Jaggayapeta, Krishna district, Pitapuram, East Godavari. These are the three places, they are the maximum cottage industries, musical instrument is making. So brass material is a Srikalasti, Chittor district. Brass means Ittadi is a laces making Narsapur in West Godavari, Palakollu, West Godavari. Iga next one is the Chandana toys. They are the Tirupati Chandana toys. So Khaddar industry is at the Podduru is a Srikakulam. Next one, Doopstick, Eluru is in West Godavari, Vetapalam at the Prakasham district. These are the very, very important cottage industries. These are established in different places in India. Okay. So now next, now about the conclusion, AP industries. So these are industries are they are the economically, financially in exporting and importing. These industries are the number one in exporting, import. These are the main industries from these industries. These are the exporting, importing. Is going on. These are the industries. Some of the major industries, they are the depending agriculture based and also mineral based. So these are the major industries, medium industries, small scale industries, and also are called as a cottage industries. These all are the industries, they are established in different places in Andhra Pradesh. They are the main production output it will be is required. Is utilized in India, and also remaining other one is the other material it will be exporting to the other countries and getting the foreign investment. So from this industries chapter, you should get the 1 or 2 questions by the match the following questions. And also recently maximum is giving the 2 or 3 questions are is combination is a match the following statement word, and also which one point it will be is a correct or not, like this questions are is giving maximum in industry sectors. So these are industries can giving the is a employment sources to the peoples, is a maximum laborers are working for this so many peoples and labor working and also employees official working, everything it will be, these are the industries giving the employment sources to the Andhra Pradesh peoples.